Welcome back, folks, to Scripting for Linguists. In this episode, I have this question for us. How much faster is Dictionaries.jl than Julia's base dictionary? Dictionaries.jl is a third-party package that is meant to be an alternative interface for dictionaries in Julia for improved productivity and performance. Awesome. And performant manner. So the reason I decided to use this is because of a comment on a previous video linked to above and below. A comment from @AlexTantos658. He mentioned that on a previous video that there's this package, this Dictionaries.jl package. In that previous video, I showed that Python was faster, much faster than Julia when creating a deeply nested dictionary data structure, or populating a deeply nested dictionary data structure. And he mentioned, well, you should try this other package. This is written by Andy Ferris. I do not know Andy, but shout out to Andy Ferris for this package. And so yeah, I'm going to use it here as an initial use of this package. I will just populate a dictionary with frequencies of words in a big file. So here on lines 3 through 11, I have a base Julia dictionary. I created on line 5 there. And then I loop over a bunch of words, 230 million words, and just simply populate the dictionary with the get method, or the get function there. Okay. And then down here on lines 13 through 26, I have the Dictionaries.jl dictionary, right, which I create an empty dictionary there on line 15. And then I loop over the words coming into the function. And then lines 18 through 22 here is kind of particular to this Dictionaries.jl dictionary object. So I get a token for the current word. It saves two things. It has a Boolean value of true or false, whether the key is there in the dictionary already, and then it gives you a token. And then to get the token value, you have to use this function here on the dictionary with the token. You get the value, then you add 1 to it on line 20 there. If the current word is not yet in the dictionary, then you insert it into the dictionary with a value of 1. So it's a kind of an if-else approach there. It is an if-else approach there. Good. So there it is. That is the Dictionaries.jl dictionary implementation. And I'm going to use a big file that has almost 230 million words in one file. I just read it into Julia there, then I uppercase it and get each word. I just kind of extract out each word, and I pass that iterator into the functions up here above. That's what's happening there. And then I use the benchmarks package, the benchmark tools package, specifically the at btime macro to have it time each of these. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. And in fact, I've already done so. Before the video started, I did so. Just to let you know, I'm using Julia version 1.10.4. And it took the base dictionary, the base Julia dictionary, 47.7 seconds to populate a dictionary with 230 million words. And it took the Dictionaries.jl dictionary 43.6 seconds to do that same task of populating its dictionary with 230 million words. So the take-home message is, with this particular task, which is a common task in corpus linguistic methodology to get frequencies of words in files, right? The Dictionaries.jl dictionary is not super faster. It is only about 4 seconds fast in this particular task than the base Julia dictionary. This brings up another question I need to answer in the future is, well, how would it work with a deeply nested dictionary? If it's only about 4 seconds faster out of about 45 seconds, give or take, right, to do this task. Is it much quicker if I have a deeply nested dictionary? Not totally sure at the moment. But to answer our question in this video, how much faster is Dictionaries.jl than Julia's base dictionary? In this particular task of getting the frequencies of words in one file, a large file with 230 million words, it's only 4 seconds faster out of about 45 seconds. So there's not much of a gain with this particular task. Now, I don't want to throw shade, if that's the cool term, on this package, but with this particular task, this is just one task I'm trying right now, it is not that much faster. But again, I'm super leery of videos that say language X is faster than language Y. You always have to ask, what task was used? What benchmarking task did you use to make that statement? Or package X is faster than package Y in this language. You always have to say, well, what benchmarking task was used to make that statement? So again, in this particular task, it's not much faster, slightly faster. 4 seconds out of about 45 seconds is not much of a gain. About not even 10%. But anyway, there you go. That is the way I answer that question. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like. See you later.